So hello everyone, what is Euclid division lemma? So actually Euclid division lemma says that if a and b are two integers, then there exists an unique whole number r and q. Okay, r and q such that a is equal to bq plus r. Actually this is similar to the Actually, this is exactly similar to the division formula, that is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And we know that the remainder is always either less than dividend, not dividend, divisor. The remainder is either less than divisor or equal to 0. So here exactly same thing happens. Here r is the remainder, so r is exactly less than b or less than equal to 0. Okay, so there are various cases of division, Euclid division lemma. So one of the application of Euclid division lemma is this one. We have to show that every positive even integer is of the form 2m, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2m plus 1. So the even is in the form of 2m and the odd is in the form of 2m plus 1. So how will you do this one? Very simply. Actually, this chapter is a very theoretical chapter, so you just have to remember. Actually, there is no exact logic behind this sum, so you just have to remember in this way only. Okay. So for doing this one, like you have to take an element, arbitrary positive element n. Then you have to say that divide n by 2, and if we divide n by 2, then we will get remainder as r and quotient as b. Okay, then we can write n equal to 2 into b plus r, where not like this, 0 less than equal to b, not b, r less than b. Okay, actually this is the main important concept of this chapter, Euclid division lemma. Okay, so by this concept the most of the problem will get solved. So what is b here? Here b is 2. Sorry, it's not b. This b, it will be q. Okay. So 2 into q plus r, because here b is equal to 2. Okay, and here a is equal to n. Okay. So here r is equal. So r is less than equal to 0, less than 2. Okay. Now, if you put the value, what is r? R is either equal to 0 or 1. R is not equal to 2, as here the equal to sign is not there. Okay. So r is always less than 2. That means r is always less than the divisor. That means this b. R is always less than b. Now, so if you put a value of r here, then we will get n is equal to 2q or n is equal to 2q plus 1. Okay. Now, there are two cases like this. When it is even, when it is odd. And what is even? Anything that is even is always divided by 2. And if a number is not divided by 2, then it is odd. Okay. So here, 2q. Can you divide 2q by 2? By given one 2q, sorry, q, it will cancel out. So 2q is even and 2q plus 1. If there is 2q plus 1, then we will get a remainder 1. That means 2q plus 1 is not an odd number. So the detailed solution is here.